गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल सर अब्दुल सत्तार खान। मार्च 2025 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड 5 के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है 12th स्टेट बोर्ड के लिए। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। यूजिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन बिलो राइट अ मैसेज विच मनु लेफ्ट फॉर हिज सिस्टर रेनू। डो नॉट ऐड एनी न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन, द मैसेज शुड नॉट एक्सीड 50 वर्ड्स। ये एक वर्चुअल मैसेज है, वर्चुअल मैसेज बनाना है। रोहान रैंग अप बुक रीडिंग सेशन चिल्ड्रन आस्क कलाम, डॉक्टर APJ Abdul Kalam, compilation of letters received by him from children and his answers. Oxford Bookstore 8 p.m. this evening, pick you up 6:30 p.m. attend reading session together। अब ये वर्चुअल मैसेज का आंसर है 28 नवंबर 2 p.m। अब देखिए ये 50 वर्ड से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए। रेनू के लिए मनु लिख रहा है, रोहान रैंग अप टू स्टे डैट देयर इज़ अ बुक रीडिंग सेशन एट ऑक्सफोर्ड बुक स्टोर दिस इवनिंग एट 8 o'clock। The book is Children Ask Kalam, a compilation of letters received by Dr. Kalam and his answers. Rohan will pick you up at 6:30 p.m. sharp, Manu। ये ईमेल है। राइट एन ईमेल टू योर फ्रेंड विथ whom you have not been in touch for a long time। अब इसका आंसर है to Meenal NM about xyz.com, subject long time no news। Hi Meena, how are you? Not heard from you from a long time. I was busy with my standard 12th exams, aptitude tests, entrance exams, etc. But now they are finally over and I have got admission in the college of my choice. Yes, the very same college your sister graduated from. It has an awesome reputation from the teaching of languages, and since I hope to become a linguist and translator someday, I thought this would be the ideal place. Classes have not yet started. Anyway, that's about me. I have not heard anything from you since you went to Chennai. Was the admission process difficult for you? I hope not after the wonderful marks you scored. How do you find the place? As great as Mumbai. Made many new friends there. Language must be a problem at the moment, but I am sure you will pick it up fast. Now send me a mail. I want to know what is happening with you there as soon as possible and when I can visit you. Bye, love to you and Tina and regards to your parents, your friend Deepa। ईमेल ये लेटर की जगह लिखा जा रहा है। अगला है राइट अ न्यूज़ आइटम on the following headline with proper dateline, lead, intro, paragraph and a short continuing paragraph। India wins T20 series। India wins T20 series by a sports reporter। ये न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट राइटिंग है। इसका हेडलाइन है इंडिया विंस T20 सीरीज बाय स्पोर्ट्स रिपोर्टर। फ्लोरिडा 5 अगस्त इंडिया बीट वेस्ट इंडीज by 22 runs to win the series in a thrilling finale here, watched by thousands of cheering spectators. India scored 206 for 6 wickets. Sent into bat after winning the toss, India were off to a quick start as they reached the 50-run mark in the 7th over, with Rohit Sharma doing the bulk of the scoring. Later, Indian captain Virat Kohli joined Rohit to continue to add to the total. Rohit became the top scorer of the match with 6 fours and 3 sixes. His final score was 67 runs off 50 balls. West Indies were in deep trouble when they lost 4 wickets for just 71 runs. There was jubilation in the stands at the victory. Back home in India, two fans were thrilled with the outcome and hoped that the Indian team would continue their winning spree in other matches too. We can do anything if we put our minds to it, said one excited fan। Very true। नेक्स्ट है इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस है। राइट 8 to 10 क्वेश्चंस you would like to ask your local corporator regarding the filth and the dirt in your area। यानी कारपोरेटर का एक इंटरव्यू लेना है। 8 क्वेश्चंस बनाना है, 8 से 10 बनाना है। फर्स्ट है, नमस्ते सर, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन विनिंग द इलेक्शन फ्रॉम आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी। मे आई आस्क यू अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस? Thank you. As you can see, sir, this place is full of uncollected garbage. Why is this so? The drain at the end of this road is choked and is overflowing. Comment on this, please. The municipality had a plan to reduce the number of stray dogs. However, there are plenty. Here, could we know the reason for this? Fifth question है, what about the cows and goats that we can see? Sixth, what is the action taken against the sanitary workers who do not sweep the roads regularly? Seventh, are there any plans to get rid of hawkers? Eighth, how will you deal with the unhygienic roadside food stalls? Ninth, is there any plan to fumigate the area, spray pesticides to prevent the outbreak of diseases? 10th, how will you motivate the people to participate in maintaining the cleanliness of the area? Thank you, sir, for your cooperation. We certainly hope you succeed in your endeavors to give us a clean locality. नेक्स्ट है स्पीच है. योर कॉलेज हैर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अ हेल्थ अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम to emphasize the importance of healthy food and say goodbye to junk food. As a class representative, prepare a speech in about 100 words to be delivered during the inaugural function. You may use the following points. अब देखिए जितने राइटिंग स्किल के चीज़ें हैं जैसे कि वर्चुअल मैसेज या स्पीच राइटिंग है या रिपोर्ट राइटिंग है या ईमेल राइटिंग है, ब्लॉग राइटिंग, हर एक के लिए 4 मार्क्स रहते हैं. कोई 4 ही करना है. As a class representative, prepare a speech in about 100 words to deliver during the inaugural function. You may use the following points. Importance of healthy food, regular and proportional food diet, avoiding junk food, importance of exercise, add your own points. इसका आंसर है सबसे पहले हेडलाइन है से गुड बाय टू जंक फूड. रेस्पेक्टेड प्रोफेसर्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग. वेलकम टू द हेल्थ अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय आवर कॉलेज. I, XYZ, the CR of Standard 12th C, will begin the program by saying a few words on the importance of health. I don't think that anyone here is in any doubt about the importance of good health. We all know the health is wealth. Yet, how many of us follow the rules which will keep us healthy? How many of us can resist junk food? We must be healthy both in body and in mind. To have a healthy body, we must eat fruits and fresh vegetables and keep away from fast food and junk food. We must participate regularly in outdoor games and not remain glued to our computers and TV sets the whole day. To have a healthy mind, we must have a happy and positive outlook on life and encourage positive emotions like love, friendship, and happiness. Only when we are truly healthy will we be able to live a complete and happy life. I now conclude my brief speech. Thank you for your patience in listening to me. Goodbye. फिल्म रिव्यू है, ये भी 4 मार्क्स के लिए आता है और में आएगा, कोई भी एक करना है. टोटल 16 मार्क्स के लिए राइटिंग स्किल है. Write a review of a film you have recently seen based on any 4 of the following points. Name of the characters, main and supporting roles, about the story, theme of the film, special features, novelist, novel ideas, music, dance, songs, action, direction. Why did you not like the film? Should others watch this film? Would you recommend it to your friends? Why? Review of the film A Wednesday. This is a thriller made in 2008 which tells the story of certain events that take place between 2 and 6 p.m. on a Wednesday when the city of Mumbai is held to ransom by a man who conveys to the police commissioner that he has placed bombs in storage places in Mumbai. The locations will be revealed only when certain terrorists serving term in Mumbai jails are released and taken to a specified spot. There are no songs and dances but only background score. The film has only 3 male locals, the roof of an unfinished building somewhere in Mumbai, the police commissioner's office, and the runway of an airport. The main characters are Nasiruddin Shah as the mysterious bomber, Anupam Kher as the police commissioner, and Jimmy Shergill and Amir Bashir as cops. Every character has played his part well. Nasiruddin Shah steals the show with his performance. His dialogue delivery is simply fantastic. Anupam Kher lends the role dignity and he has executed it brilliantly. Hundreds of innocent people met there and following the serial train bomb blast in Mumbai, a Wednesday not only questions the justice done to the common man but also emphasizes his helplessness and anger. A super film with excellent performances not to be missed. Next है blog writing. Write a blog in the proper format on the following topics with the help of the given points. Rules are meant for breaking, attitude of people, traffic rules, consequences of breaking rules. ये ब्लॉग इस तरीके से लिखा जाएगा. ये गूगल पे जो इन्फॉर्मेशन भरी जाती है एक पेज बनाया जाता है उसे ब्लॉग कहते हैं. Rules are meant for breaking. I am an Indian and proud to be one. However, this does not mean that I am blind to the faults of Indians. One of the most significant one being our desire for breaking rules and our glee on our success. ये जिस तरीके से इसमें खाका बनाया हुआ है यहाँ पर होम न्यूज़ सस्टेनेबल टूल किट अबाउट कॉन्टैक्ट सर्च ये सब भी इसमें बनाना ज़रूरी होता है. In any developed country, if there is a sign on a road or in an exhibition area or anywhere saying do not enter, you will be sure that no one will enter. But in India, the sign is like a red rag to a bull. People will be curious to know what exactly is there, which needs a do not enter sign, and will do exactly the opposite, they will enter. Our prediction for breaking rules is most obvious when we are on the road. How many times has one seen people breaking traffic signals just to save a few seconds? Even though this may be potentially dangerous to many people, including themselves, the area under a do not spit sign will invariably be full of red spit. If a place says switch off your mobiles, there will be some who deliberately ignore this. Rules they feel are not for us. We are free birds. But don't they realize that for everyone to be able to have his or her liberty, there is also need for some restrictions on individual liberty? Don't they realize that rules are essential for a civilized and smooth social life? नेक्स्ट है अपील लीफलेट परसुएडिंग पीपल टू डोनेट ब्लड. ये बहुत आसान होता है 4 मार्क्स के लिए आता है. पम्फलेट बनाना है या इसे आप लीफलेट भी कह सकते हैं. ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप एट मॉडल कॉलेज, सेव अ लाइफ, डोनेट ब्लड, एक्सीडेंट विक्टिम्स, पेशेंट्स अंडरगोइंग सर्जरी, दोज इन नीड ऑफ blood transfusions will all benefit by your kind action. It will take only 10 to 15 minutes. You will not lose strength, but you will get a glow of happiness. Venue College Hall, 15th August 2020, 9 am onwards. Every drop counts. जिसे अपील भी कहा जाता है. आप इसे लीफलेट कहे या अपील कहे एक ही होता है. अब ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम. ये लिटरेरी जर्नल का है. इसके आंसर्स आपको लर्न करना चाहिए क्योंकि इसमें आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, पैराग्राफ नहीं आता. कंप्लीट द एक्टिविटीज गिवन बिलो एज पर द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. चूज द करेक्ट राइटर फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग. द पिलग्रिम्स प्रोग्रेस, जेन आयर, रॉबिन्सन क्रूज, फ्रैंकेनस्टाइन. पहले का आंसर द पिलग्रिम्स प्रोग्रेस, जॉन बुनियान, जॉन आयर, शार्लेट ब्रोंट, रॉबिन्सन क्रूज, डैनियल डीफो, फ्रैंकेनस्टाइन, मैरी शेली. मैच द कॉलम्स. मुरासाकी शिकुबो, नोवेला, डॉन क्विक्सोट, राजमोहन वाइफ. इसका आंसर है मुरासाकी शिकुबो, टेल ऑफ जिंजी, नोवेला, न्यू, डॉन क्विक्सोट, सर्वेंट्स, राजमोहन वाइफ, बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन अबाउट 50 वर्ड्स ईच. डू एज डायरेक्टेड. Describe in brief the purpose of organizing the half-yearly report program of Students' Council. During the half-yearly report program of Students' Council, each class would report through its representatives on the studies pursued during the half-year which began after Easter. A representative was chosen for each subject. When all the classes had completed their reports, a panel of teachers would be invited to occupy the stage and answer the questions from the body of the hall. on matters arising out of the various reports. Throughout all the reports, the emphasis was on what they understood rather than on what they were expected to learn. Second है, the incidents in the extract occurred at a particular place. Explain the significance of that place in your own words. The theme of the extract is student-teacher relationship, and the incidents in the extract take place in the auditorium of Greenslade School. The extract confines itself to narrating the incidents on the important day of the half-yearly report of the Students' Council. This report takes place in the presence of the head of the school, the teachers, and the students. It is a serious and formal program, and the setting is the auditorium with a stage and a formal atmosphere. This is just right. Compare the characters of Miss Joseph and Denham. Miss Joseph and Denham are both businesslike and efficient while allocating tasks and organizing the program. They are important officials for the function and sit confidently beside Mr. Florian on the stage. Both addresses the audience with confidence. However, Denham is blunt, critical, and argumentative while discussing the PT exercise that everyone has to do in school. He argues with Miss Phillips, but when Miss Phillips pleasantly and calmly puts him in this place, he graciously accepts defeat. He is also courteous in his dealing with the ladies. Describe the importance of the Reform Club in the development of the plot and behavior of the characters. ये अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन 80 days ये इससे लिया गया है. Reform Club is the place which Fogg frequented on a regular basis. It is at the Reform Club that Fogg gets involved in an argument over an article, and when where the wager with his fellow club members takes place. It is the place where Fogg was supposed to return to before 8:45 p.m. on 21st December, 80 days later. It is the place where his antagonists are waiting anxiously for him, and which he reaches at particularly practically the last second to win his wager. Next question है, illustrate with example the time theme of the exact extract. Phileas Fogg has to go around the world in 80 days if he has to win the wager. As he and his companions struggle to do this, time foils their plans in many cases. Fogg gets arrested for no fault of his and loses precious time. He misses the train from Liverpool, and the special train he arranged gets delayed too. Fogg is afraid that he has lost the bet. However, in the end, Fogg wins the bet with minutes to spare as he gained a day when crossing the international date line. His journey through the time zones had gained him a day. The ultimate message is that no one can control time. Time moves on relentlessly and humans are at its mercy. Interpret the following quote in the light of the extract of the novel Around the World in 80 Days. Quitters never win and winners never quit. Even though Fogg loses time due to being wrongly arrested and imprisoned, he makes every effort to reach London on time. He arranges a special train from Liverpool. He does not quit when he feels that there is some faint chance of a win. Later, when Passepartout discovers that it is Saturday and not Sunday, and that there is still a chance of winning, Fogg puts aside everything and rushes head-on to the Reform Club. He does not give up in spite of all the obstacles and comes out a winner, both in winning the bet and the love of a good woman. लास्ट वाला है साइन ऑफ 4 का पहला क्वेश्चन है. डॉक्टर वॉटसन द नरेटर इज वन ऑफ द मेजर कैरेक्टर इन द नॉवेल. इलिस्ट्रेट. Dr. Watson is the narrator. He was present when the case was brought to Holmes by Mary Marston. He generally accompanies Holmes whenever necessary, helping him to solve cases. He also kept a record of all the cases that Holmes had taken up. In this extract, he is present when Mary recounts her case, and he accompanies Holmes and Mary to meet the writer of the anonymous letter. He marries Mary in the end. Interpret the following line in the light of the novel, extract the sign of 4. Our quest does not appear to take us to very fashionable regions. These words are said by Holmes to Watson and Mary Marston when they are being driven by the coachman to some strange place. They were going through narrow streets in an unfriendly and grim neighborhood, which had dull brick rows of houses and cheap and showy public houses at the corner. Holmes mentioned that this was not a very fashionable or rich neighborhood. Narrate in brief the meeting of Miss Marston with Holmes. Miss Marston met Holmes and Watson at their house in Baker Street. She then discussed with them the mysterious disappearance of her father a few years earlier, the receipt of an expensive pearl every year for the past 6 years, and the receipt of a mysterious letter that morning asking her to meet the writer of the letter. Miss Marston was intensely agitated and confused and did not know what to do. She showed Holmes the pearls, the boxes in which they had come, and the letter. Then they planned to follow the instructions and meet the writer of the letter. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।